My name is Rachel Yakubowitz, and I decided to do my presentation on Mercer County Community College's The Dream Program. About the Dream Program. MCCC's Dream Program provides transition and post-secondary program opportunities for students whose limitations in both intellectual and adaptive behavior require significant additional supports to navigate the post-secondary environment. Upon successful application and acceptance to the program, identified students between the ages of 17 and 25 have the opportunity to reach individual goals in an inclusive and supportive college setting. Students will also work very closely with program staff each semester to identify and evaluate goals, build schedules, arrange for mandatory job shadowing experiences, and identify existing community supports. The Dream Program plan is student-centered, which means that each student's course of study is determined by the student's goals and needs. Some of the areas of study include academic experiences in which students build their skills in reading, writing, and math. There is also exploration of areas of interest such as cooking, computer skills, and the arts. There are career-related experiences in which students explore jobs through service learning, job shadowing, and internships, as well as developing job-seeking skills such as resume writing, interviewing, and portfolio development. Independent living experiences are also provided, such as money management and personal safety, as well as socialization experiences like joining clubs, organizations, and participating in other college activities. Self-advocacy skill development is also infused throughout the entire Dream experience. About MCCC and financial information. This college is committed to inclusive education and development of academic, economic, and personal growth opportunities for all its students. The college's vast array of academic and student services provides continuing support for all students, especially those who need extra support to achieve their success. I included some of the financials to the right, such as the cost, which is $1,011 per semester for the program fee, plus the cost of tuition for registered courses. I also included two common financial aid links to the Federal Financial Aid and the New Jersey Division of Developmental Disabilities. Participation in the DREAM program is generally limited to 4 semesters. Students who have achieved satisfactory academic progress throughout those 4 semesters and continue to have an identified goal may apply to continue with the DREAM program for an additional fee. Other students may continue to pursue academic or vocational goals by taking credit or non-credit classes at MCCC, but will no longer be eligible to receive the significant additional supports offered through the DREAM program. Some of these supports are peer mentors, who include current MCC students, alumni, and community members. This undergoes specialized training to provide excellent academic support to the students, both in the classroom and during weekly help homework sessions. While MCCC encourages students to take their own notes, class notes are developed by the mentors and emailed to the students the day following their class meetings. These notes are clearly detailed on class process and content and delineate homework, tests, and projects. The DREAM program staff is also help and support, including 3 educational specialists and a manager. They provide ongoing support to DREAM students through academic advisement, referral to tutoring and other college resources, bi-weekly check-ins, encouragement of self-advocacy, and day-to-day guidance in situations. The CITA or CITA staff at MCCC offers advocacy, support with accommodations, and other services to help the students get the most out of their college experience. Specifically, there are 2 classes uniquely designed for the DREAM students, which I listed on this slide. And in the next slide, I just included some important links and the application link. This link below the application link provides a specific online breakdown of requirements, acceptance rates, cost, housing, extracurricular, employment, etc. I gave credit to the Mercer County Community College for all of the information on its DREAM program, and I also included a virtual tour, because if I was to present this to a possible applicant for the DREAM program, I feel these are important links that they would like to explore and learn more. Thank you.